Where are you going now? No, you can't take Mommy and Daddy's things down. Come here, Ariana. Come here. Come on. Uh-oh, you're going the wrong way. Oh, you're trying to get yourself in trouble, aren't you? Can you fit? No, you can't touch those things. Hi. Yeah? Uh-oh, Mama dropped her camera case. Now where are you going to come? In the kitchen? Oh, you're stuck. Sorry. Here. There. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You got it. Come on. Yay, Ariana. Oh. You trying to get this? Yay. Mwah. Here you go. Here's your koala. Oh, you love him. Come on, baby. Well, you dropped him, silly. Boom. Well, it's only your second day in the walker, right? You gotta figure out how that thing works. Crash. Sorry, baby, you don't fit in here, sweetheart. I'm gonna go this way. You found your blankie. Oh, that's very sweet. You're so sweet.